Welcome to our channel. Today, we're excited to present 40 unbelievable heavy equipment machines that are truly working at another level. These incredible machines are not only massive but also incredibly powerful and efficient, pushing the boundaries of what heavy machinery can achieve. From enormous excavators to colossal dump trucks, get ready to be amazed by these engineering marvels. Starting with some of the most impressive excavators. Caterpillar 6090 FS. Known for its massive size and incredible digging power, it's a true giant in the mining world. This excavator offers immense power and efficiency, making it a favorite for large-scale projects. Liebherr R9800. With unparalleled digging capabilities, this machine is a top choice for heavy-duty mining operations. Hitachi X80006. Built to withstand the toughest conditions, this excavator delivers exceptional performance. Bucyrus RH400. Renowned for its strength and durability, it's a powerhouse in the mining industry. Now, let's look at some towering cranes that elevate lifting to new heights. Liebherr LR13000, the world's most powerful crawler crane, known for its incredible lifting capacity. Manitowoc 31000 features a unique counterweight system, providing superior stability and power. Terex CC88001. This crane's modular design allows it to handle some of the heaviest loads. Sany SCC86000TM. Ideal for large-scale projects, this crane offers remarkable lifting abilities. Zoomlion ZCC3200NP. Designed for massive infrastructure tasks, it's one of the largest cranes available. These dump trucks are essential for moving enormous loads efficiently. The LAS 75710. The largest dump truck in the world, capable of carrying a staggering 450 metric tons. Caterpillar 797F. Known for its reliability and high payload capacity, it's a staple in mining. Komatsu 980E4. This truck offers advanced features and exceptional durability for tough conditions. Terex MT6300AC. One of the most powerful dump trucks, designed for the heaviest loads. Liebherr T284. Combines size and efficiency to deliver outstanding performance in mining operations. Bulldozers are crucial for earth-moving tasks. Here are some of the most powerful models. Caterpillar D11. A symbol of strength and durability, perfect for large-scale construction. Komatsu D575A3SD. The largest bulldozer in the world, built for the toughest jobs. John Deere 1050K. Known for its power and precision, it's ideal for challenging conditions. Liebherr PR776. Offers advanced features and exceptional efficiency in earthmoving. 90-5. Designed for extreme tasks, this bulldozer is a true workhorse. Loaders are vital for material handling in various industries. Here are some advanced models. Caterpillar 994K, the largest wheel loader from Caterpillar, designed for heavy-duty applications. Komatsu WA 1200-6, offers exceptional loading capacity and efficiency, making it a top choice. Liebherr L586X Power, combines power with fuel efficiency for optimal performance. Hitachi ZW550-6, known for its durability and advanced features in material handling. Volvo L350H, a versatile and powerful loader, perfect for tough conditions. Drilling rigs play a crucial role in mining and construction. Here are some revolutionary models. Epiroc Pit Viper 351, known for its power and precision in large-scale drilling operations. Sandvik DR416i, combines advanced technology with high performance for efficient drilling. Atlas Copco DM32, a versatile drilling rig designed for various applications. SRAM T130XD, offers high capacity and efficiency in drilling projects. Known for its precision and advanced features in drilling. Trenchers are essential for creating trenches for pipelines and cables. Here are some dynamic models. Vermeer T1255-3, renowned for its durability and precision in trenching tasks. Ditch Witch RT125, offers advanced technology and efficiency for various trenching needs. Tesmec TRS1275, a powerful trencher designed for large-scale projects. Barretto 1324, combines ease of use with high performance in trenching. Mere SMC 200R, known for its versatility and efficiency in trenching operations. Scrapers are vital for earthmoving and land leveling. Here are some efficient models. Caterpillar 657G, known for its power and efficiency in large-scale earthmoving tasks. John Deere 2112E, offers advanced technology and high performance in scraping. Terex TS14B, a versatile scraper designed for various applications. K-Tech 1233, combines durability and efficiency in earthmoving operations. Ashland I200 TS4, known for its precision and ease of use in land leveling. Harvesters are crucial in agriculture, improving efficiency and productivity. Here are some innovative models. John Deere S790, known for its advanced technology and high capacity in harvesting. Claas Lexion 8900, combines power and precision for optimal performance. New Holland CR 10.90, one of the most powerful harvesters, designed for large-scale farming. Case IH Axial Flow 9240, offers efficiency and high capacity in harvesting operations. versatile paver designed for various applications. Volvo P7110 offers precision and efficiency in asphalt paving. Bomag BF800C, known for its high capacity and efficiency in paving projects. These 40 unbelievable heavy equipment machines demonstrate the incredible advancements in technology and engineering. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.